You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more homophones, more vocabulary that is confusing and that have the same pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. The top word is pronounced deer, which is the animal. If you want to learn how to pronounce the bottom word, it's also pronounced deer, which is something that is expensive or regarded with deep affection, something that is dear to your heart. Both those words have the exact same pronunciation. The British English pronunciation is as deer, that's for the animal or expensive, deer, deer, deer. The American English pronunciation is more as deer, where you pronounce the R as a R. Deer, deer, that's American English pronunciation, or deer. Both words have the same pronunciation, exactly the same, regardless of the spelling, deer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.